everyone. Today we're going to learn how to solve the constraint cubes with 180 degrees constraint on each face. So before we start to solve this cube, we need to make sure we have the same orientation for all the faces. So put all the this thing in the middle, so I can turn anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Okay, so this is correct, this is wrong, we make it correct, 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 and correct. Okay, so we will just choose the blue face as our bottom and do layer by layer up. The important thing to note here is that after you solve the first layer and the second layer, all these orientations of the cube should not change. Okay, so I should still be able to turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise after I solve the first two layers. So for the blue-red piece, you can do this and solve it very nicely, but you'll notice that my blue orientation is wrong. So what to do is you just need to do a very simple rectification by moving this down first, put it back in the correct position, and put it back again. Okay, so same for this. Okay, wrong position, put it away, rectify it, and then slot everything back. Okay, so we just continue on for all the other cubes, faces, sorry. Okay, again, done, and done. Okay, so this is quite intuitive. I do not need to give much explanation. Okay, then we just solve it layer by layer again. Okay, so solve all the corners now. Okay, I don't like this case. Okay, so I need to separate out these two things first, then slot it in. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, then now we put in the second layer. Okay, you'll notice that if you get stuck here and cannot turn anymore, what you do is use the red face to slot my F2L in. Okay, so if you can't do any more top faces turns, just use the right face to help you complete it. Okay, so same thing, you can't do it anymore, use your left face to help you, left or right face to help you. Okay, and you are done. So I make a cross here. Okay, so now after we made a cross, okay, what we need to do now is to place all these edges correctly. Okay, but now we are a bit looser on this condition. We don't need this to be in this position anymore. Okay, we can make it this or this way, as long as we can find a fit. So now we only have this is correct. So we put it on the left face and we do this algorithm. L, U, L prime, U, L, U prime, U prime. Okay, then we will get 2 correct edges and 2 incorrect. Again, we need to make use of the same algorithm. However, remember just now we did 2 U's. So if we do it in this position, we will be stuck after the first U. So what we do is keep these 2 in the left and the front, okay, tilt the bottom of the cube this way, okay, so that we will still this way, so that we will be able to do U twice. Okay, so we execute it again, we will successfully switch these 2. So L U prime U prime. Okay, then you will have successfully switched these 2. The 2 pieces that are wrong just now, these 2 I think. Okay, now we need to do permutation of the corners. Okay, we are going to do this algorithm. Okay, we put the correct one. Okay, so we put the correct corner on the top left hand corner and then perform. Okay, there's no correct corner here, so we just perform U L U prime R prime U prime L prime U prime R. Okay, this will cycle these 3 corners around. So for this one, we have a correct corner. So we put it on the top left and try to do our algorithm. In this case, you see that we are stuck. So same thing, hold this top layer, turn the bottom. Do it. You bring everything back to the original position. Okay, check, still not right, same thing, put it at the left, top left, then do it again. Turn it back to check. Yes, you have all the corners in the correct places. And now we just need to do the flipping of these edges. Corners, sorry. So we will just do L, D, L prime, D prime, until you see the green face showing up. After you see the green face showing up, okay, you turn the layer to the unsolved corner and repeat until you solve the entire cube. Okay, thanks for watching.